So in this video I will show you how you can add the CAD blocks to your drawing, to your floor plan, and also I will show you about the hatching and the layering options. Okay, so I will just open that previous file, and if you want to learn about how to make the walls and how to make the door openings, so you can go to the link in the description.
Stop it. Get some help.
To see the part 1 of this video. Okay, I'm just opening my drawing. So this was my drawing. Okay, in this I have provided the window sections and the door openings, and also I have provided the rooms, kitchens, walls, exterior walls, interior walls. Okay, so in this video we will learn about how to change the colors of the windows, how to give the hidden lines, how to use the text command. Okay, so I'll just go to dim align. Just type dim align with your keyboard, and I'll just measure the size of my plot. Okay, so from these sides I will measure the size of my plot there, which is 50 feet into 50 feet. Okay, now I will so now I will change the layer of my window. Okay, suppose I want it of some other color. I want to change its layer. So what I have to do is I will just select each and every part of this window in this way, and similarly I will select all the windows. In this color option we can change the color of our particular section of the drawing. Okay, so I want to change the color of all the windows here, so I will just select all the window sections. So now you will be able to know that why I was saying you that you have to make all the lines for the window. Actually we are displaying the color for the whole rectangle of the window, so that's why we have to make it. Just select all these windows and just press shift and select all these windows. Just go to red color and change the layer of these windows. Similarly I will change the layer of these windows also.
Okay, in this way I have changed my windows colors.
So now I will go to the CAD blocks. So I have made a particular file for my CAD block, so I will just open that file. So from this I will select my drawing. You can see I have made a particular file for all my CAD blocks. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to select any particular block and just press Ctrl plus C to copy it, and then go to the drawing and click on the drawing area and just press Ctrl plus V to paste it in your current drawing.
Seriously.
Suppose I want this dining table, so I will just press Ctrl plus C, and then I will go to my drawing in which I have to insert it. And now I will just click in this drawing and press Ctrl plus V. Okay, so when I will paste it, you can see its size is extremely very large. Okay, so I will just provide an insertion point and place it, and now I will change its scale. So I will just select it once again, and then I will go to the scale command. Okay, now I will just provide a scale factor 0.1. now also you can see it's looking very large, so I will just move it, just making this ortho off, and when I move this, you can see it's also again it's somewhat large, so I will just scale it again. Actually, also create a block, and by inserting block you can enter the block scale. Also you can use the blocks also. I'm just showing you in this simple way. Okay, so just scale it and make it somewhat small so as to fit in my dining room. Just make it smaller, 0.7. I think this size should be perfect. I will go to this dining room, and again I will scale it for one more time. Okay, so you can see in this way I have scaled my dining table. Okay, now I will show you how you can add the toilets. So again I will go to that file, that CAD block file, and now I will go to my sanitary drawings. So I'll just select this tab and just copy it. Now again I will go to the drawing, and here I will paste it. Just paste it. I think it's for Thanos. Sorry, I was just kidding. And now I will provide an insertion point, and now I will scale it. Just go to the scale command and just scale it. Just to scale it. Now I will just move it and place it in my toilets, the attached WCs. Just scale it somewhat bigger, and now just move it to my wall. Move it to my wall and paste it here. Okay, similarly I will copy this in my other bathroom also. So now it's time for my toilet seat. I will go to the drawing again and just select this seat and go to my drawing. Now I will just paste it here in the same way, and again I will scale it. Okay, actually these are the blocks, so you will not be able to change its color. So if you want to change the color of these blocks, you just have to go to the explode command. Just type exp with your keyboard and press enter to enter the command, and then select the blocks which you want to explode. Okay, so then you will be able to change the color of that block. Okay, I will just scale it. Now I will paste it in my washroom. Just select it and copy it here. Okay, Okay, so it's completed. Now I will go to the bedroom, add the bedrooms. Where are my double beds? I will select the simplest one in the list. So I will go to okay, I will go to this one, the simplest one. I will just select this and go to the drawing, and now again in the similar way I will paste it. So I will just scale it in the same way. Now place it in my bedroom, in this bedroom also. Just rotate them to place them near my window. Just place it here near my window. Just copy this and place it in this room also. Okay, so now if I want to add the sofa for my drawing room, so I will go to the block of the sofa set. Where is my drawing room furniture? So this is my drawing room furniture. Suppose I wanted this in my bedroom, sorry, in my washroom. Sorry, in my drawing room. I will just copy it in the same way. Just select this and scale it, just erase this ones, and now I'll select the whole sofa set. Now scale it, and move it in my room. Oh my god, it's going out of my boundary. I will just again scale it, make it somewhat more smaller so as to fit it. Okay, now I will move this in my drawing room. Now it's looking somewhat empty, so I will just paste one more sofa from my drawing of similar design. Just copy this, okay. So in this way you can use all the blocks and insert them in your drawing. Okay, so as to save the time, I have skipped my video. Okay, so you can just copy and paste them in your drawing in this way. Okay, so now I will show you how you can change the color of these CAD blocks. Okay, so what we have to do is just go to, when I will select this block, and when I go to change color, when I change any color, press OK, you can see it's not changed. Okay, again I will try. You can see again it's not changing the color. Actually the problem is that I'm not be able to change the color of this block, so I will go to the explode command and explode all the objects of this bed. Okay, you can see when I clicked on explode, each and every part of this bed gets exploded. And now I will select my bed, just select this. Okay, now I will change the color. I will go to this bilayer color and change its color. Selecting color, I will go to this orange color and press OK. You can see in this way I have changed the color of my bed. Okay, now I will change the color of the other objects as the same. So I will just go to the another workspace. I will go to drafting and annotation. Just cross this. I will change the color of this one also. Just select the purple color, dark purple. Okay, similarly for this also, let's go to this dark color. Okay, I will just select my bed and change its color to this dark orange. Actually, the window and the bed was looking like they are mixing in each other, so I have changed its color. Now again I will go to this and change its color as the same process. Now I will change the color of this sofa. Go to this color and change its color. And now I will go to this drawing room. Just select all these sofas and change their colors. Okay, so just select them. Just go to the colors. Suppose I want the dark purple color from this list, and similarly I will change the color of these sofas also as the dark color. In this way I have changed the color of my sofas. Okay, and for my dining table. So you can see in this way I have changed the colors of all my blocks. Now it's looking somewhat attractive. Now I will show you how you can add the hatch to your walls so as to highlight your walls. Okay, so I will just type HAT enter. Just type H enter with your keyboard, or you can just simply go to this option from the toolbar. So when I select this, you can see it's not hatched. So actually if you are having the problem of being hatched, so what you have to do is you just have to check the corners of your drawing. If they are not bounded, then you will have to face the problem of this hatching. So to get a perfect hatch, all the corners of your drawing should be bounded with each other. So I'll just select this solid hatch, and now I'll go to these walls. Just move this cursor in between the walls to capture them and provide them a hatch. Similarly, I will go to this wall and select all the hatches. Actually, it's having a defect here. I will just trim here, and now I will select the hatch and give the hatch here. select that hatching option. You just have to move your cursor in the wall to give it a hatch. Okay, you can also change the hatch properties by going to the properties in toolbar. You can see there is a hatch transparency, angle. You can also decide its scale and also change its color. Okay, so now I'll go to hatch again and give the hatch to all the exterior boundaries. So in this way you can see I have provided the hatch to all of my walls. They are looking somewhat attractive now. Okay, so in this way you can change the color. I have chosen the black color. You can also change the color, you can change the scale, and also you can change the transparency of your hatch. Now I will show you how you can use the mtext command, multi-line text, to give the dimensions and the name of the room. First of all, I will measure the distances of all the rooms before multi-line text. Okay, so I will just measure the dimensions of all the rooms. Okay, benefit of this is you will be able to know about the dimensions of all the rooms, so as to just so you have to just write the dimension with text. Okay, so just mark all these dimensions. So you can see in this way I have marked all the dimensions of my rooms, toilets, pots, etc. So in this way you can now go to the multi-line text, and now it's time for giving the text. You have to click on your drawing area to make a block. So I'll just make a block of this size here, and now I will give the text. This is my dining room, so I will just type dining room with my keyboard. Okay, now when I press enter you can see its size is very small. So to increase its size, just select it and go to this option and change the size. Suppose I want its size to be 8 inches. You can see its size increased, and if you want to change the color of this, you can go to the option to change its color in the same toolbar. And in the same way I will go to my bedroom and provide the bedroom text with my bedroom dimensions. I'll just type bedroom. It's my bedroom 1, so I will type bedroom 1 and change its size 7 inches. Just type the dimensions, that is 15 feet into 14 feet. Press enter. You can see in this way I have created the bedroom text. Now I'll just again select it and make it underlined. Go to bold. If you want to change it to bold, you can go to bold. Underline, you can change your properties. Now we'll go to my drawing room and make a box. Just type the drawing room. Make it underlined. To make it in a single line, you just have to increase the size of your table. Okay, just type 15 feet into 14 feet and just save changes. You can see in this way I have added this text also. Now it's time for my kitchen. I'll use the same method. Kitchen, and the size for my kitchen is 8 feet 6 inches into 9 feet 6 inches. Now just select it and change its size to 7 inches. Okay, and just delete these reference dimensions and move my text to the mid. Okay, and the similar way I will add some more texts. I have added the text to my toilets, to my parking also. Okay, so in this way you can add the text with dimensions, also change their properties by going to the formatting toolbar in text editor. So now I will just delete these reference dimensions again. Just delete them. This way I will give the dimensions to my store also. Okay, so all the dimensions of my house are completed. Now I will mark these distances.
Oh my god!
Okay, so now suppose if you want to plot your PDF of your drawing, if you want to make a PDF, what you have to do is just go to this plot, type PLOT, enter with your keyboard, and in this printer or plotter just go to dwg2pdf.pc3. don't change the paper size, and in what to plot area go to the window, just click on window and select the window which you want to plot in your PDF. Suppose I want to plot this floor plan in my PDF, I will just select it. I will just capture it in my screen. You can see in this I can capture it. Just click here. Okay, so now click on this center the plot. Now if you want to see the preview of your PDF, you can just click on this preview option in bottom left corner. So wow, it's looking literally very sharp, and you can also see the line weights also. Line weights and all the things are appearing very clearly. Okay, so in this way you can change the drawings to these modified drawings. Okay, so in this way you can plot your PDF, and if you want to save it, just press OK to save it. Okay, when you press OK, it will ask you to save it. So if you want to save it, you can just save it and share it to anyone. Okay, I don't want to save it, so I will just cancel. Okay, so in this way you can use all these simple commands to make a 2D floor plan. Okay, so this was by my side. Thank you so much, and in the next video I will show you how to make the 3D elevation of a house, how to use the different material browser, how to provide the materials, how to render the drawings with backgrounds. Okay, so please like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you so much.